guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Echo Jane here. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always returning. I do appreciate you all. So on this channel, I bring to you all things natural recipes, lifestyle and travels. But in today's video, we are taking a break from natural hair recipes to our cooking series. We're going to be making a super easy breakfast cake using just a toaster. Yes, you heard me right, just a toaster, no oven needed. This is perfect for when you want a quick, delicious treat to start your day. So let's get baking. So the ingredients you'll be needing: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar if you are the type that loves very sweet stuff. For me, I don't like so much sugar on my things, so we'll be going in with just 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then a 1/4 melted cup of butter, half a cup of milk, an egg to add fluffiness. It's optional. Then you have your baking powder, your vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Now let's get our bowl and mix our ingredients. I'll be starting with my wet ingredients. So I'm cracking in our egg, then I go in with my milk, butter, and my sugar. I'm going to be dissolving my sugar with water. I'm using brown sugar, so it's not honey, it's just brown sugar. Then I also go in with my vanilla extract. I combine everything together, mix it together before adding in my flour. Then my baking powder as well. Then you mix everything together until you have a smooth batter. Now it's time to preheat our sandwich toaster for a few minutes before we add our butter in. Make sure to grease your plate lightly with either butter or oil so that the cake doesn't stick. Then you can carefully pour your butter into the toaster's cavity, filling them halfway to allow the cake to rise. Then you close your toaster and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until you get a golden brown cake. Once your cake is done, you let it sit to cool for a few moments. Then you can serve it with your favorite toppings such as fresh fruit, syrup, or a dust of powdered sugar. Or you can also have it with your tea or coffee. Now that's it. You got yourself a super easy toaster cake, which is perfect for breakfast or snack. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification for more quick and easy recipes. Enjoy your cake, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye. Mwah. Love you guys.